This video is to show you how to quickly and efficiently cook dals and rice. Some people actually cook, beans and dals for like 30 minutes in Instapot because the result is not even satisfactory. Still, you may see that it may need more cooking time. So this video actually shows you how to cook it in less than 5 minutes, or even for hard beans you can cook it for 10 minutes. So we'll see how to cook the dal and also the hard beans. For this type of split dals, it will actually take only 5 minutes. But for hard beans and lentils like broad beans and chickpeas, you may need like 7 to 10 minutes. So I'll show you the trick how to do that in Instapot, which none of them have done before, because all the videos that I have seen, they only showed cook the dal and beans for 30 minutes, which not only kills time but also it's not efficient. It may your Instapot also may suffer damage if you cook for longer periods of time every day. So you'll get the wear and tear before the warranty time. So my advice is to see this video fully and cook the dals and beans in less than 10 minutes. Thank you very much. Enjoy the video. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to use Instapot to cook rice and dal together. So I have poured like 1.5 cups of water here, and let me show you what I am going to prepare. This is the dal. You need containers like this, like which can, the top one which can sit in, actually these are Prestige cooker containers which can sit on top of each other, and like this. So the most important thing when you are cooking in Instapot is, for the dal to cook properly, you have to use hot water, boiling water, and I use the same water for rice also. So I'll show you now how to keep the rice and dal together. Now I'll show you how to assemble this the stand. As you can see here, I have a holder like this. So you just keep the rice on the bottom and keep the dal at the top. If you want, you can close it too, or just bring these together, the stand together. And then now it's ready to go into the Instapot. This is how you have to keep two containers together. Now I have kept it inside the Instapot. So now let me close it. And then bring this wall to the sealing position, because you need to seal it for the dal to cook properly. Now you can use steam, and then if you want, you can increase the pressure here. Actually it is set for 3 minutes, but I want to increase it for 5 minutes. So you just increase it for 5 minutes and just let it go. So it will automatically stop. So once it is done, you can do a cancel and then switch off. And so this is the pressure level, actually, the number of minutes. So that is how you have to keep the dal and rice together. I'll later on show you how it is done. I'll open and show you how the dal and rice is done. So I have kept hot water for both rice and dal. For rice it's not necessary, but for dal you have to keep, if you pour hot water, then it will cook quickly. That's about it. I'll show you later how it is done. Now it has stopped, it has stopped cooking. So now what you have to do, you can see that the pressure is up. So I'll wait till the pressure releases, and I'll just now do a cancel and then switch off. That's about it, and I'll show you how it is cooked inside. The pressure is released now. As you can see, this has gone down. So you just have to open it now, and then you can have the lid positioned like this. Now you can see that the dal and rice are cooked very nicely. The dal and rice is cooked very nicely. See, you can see the rice and the dal cooked together. So this is it. This is how you have to use the Instapot for faster cooking, and you cook two items together. You just have to plan ahead and do it, and you need just this type of container where you have a stand-like thing, like you can or you can arrange a smaller two vessels and then keep it inside. And see, look at the dal, how it is cooked.